This is JFK Towers in Durham. Many of the people who live here are angry. They're complaining about their living conditions. They're turning to a group of law students, hoping they can solve their problems in court. WRO's Eric Miller explains.
A special provision of North Carolina law actually allows these students to practice in a courtroom, provided they're supervised by a pair of Duke University professors. It's called the Civil Justice Clinic. And for residents here at JFK Towers, they're hoping it's their salvation. The images are hard to see.
And I'm tired of it.
The stories hard to hear.
That elevator there, that's a death trap.
Nearly 200 seniors, many disabled, nearly all low income, living here, Durham's JFK Towers.
We're living in hell.
Including Johnetta Alston.
Next thing I start hearing, my neighbors. I got roaches, I have bed bugs, I have water bugs out the wazoo.
Alston says her breaking point came last summer.
Oh my God.
After she shot this video inside a 99-year-old friend's apartment.
When I found out her tub had been overflowing with sewage for 3.5 weeks, that was the day I said, no more.
No more? Let her hear.
It's been the most, in my opinion, the most important thing I've done since I've been at law school.
Anaya Crocker is a Duke University law student, part of the university's Civil Justice Clinic, which has worked to bring this 46-page suit against Millennia Housing Management, the owner of JFK Towers.
I just keep thinking, what if this was my nanny? What if this was my grandmother? And that really sort of lit a fire under me and really made me care about the outcome of this case.
The suit against Millennia is just one of several currently being brought against the Ohio-based housing company and comes 5 years after Millennia bought JFK Towers. In a statement to WRAL, a Millennia spokesperson said the company strongly denies the allegations brought in the lawsuit, and all rents and associated fees have been collected in accordance with HUD standards, and we vehemently deny all accusations of deceptive and unfair practices. That spokesperson also noting several of the issues outlined in the complaint have been addressed or will be addressed as part of an ongoing multi-million-dollar renovation.
These things haven't been fixed, and if anything, they have gotten worse.
The lawsuit is seeking a return of tenants' rent payments, penalties, and compensation for tenants who've had to endure conditions like these for years.
We think it should be several $1 million.
But Johnetta Alston says it isn't about the money. She wants to see Millennia deliver on its promise to give residents a safe, clean, and functional place to live.
Fix the building the way it's supposed to be.
The students, professors, and attorneys involved in this lawsuit say they're prepared for a long, drawn-out fight. We also know Millennia Housing has retained counsel in this case. We'll be watching to see how things unfold from here. In Durham, Eric Miller, WRAL News.